Boatersnet would like to offer a 1998 Bayliner Model 2456 Ciera Express Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Eastport, Maryland. The asking price is $10,000. The galley has a microwave, refrigerator, and 2-burner stove. The boat comes with a Mercruiser 5.7-liter single-drive engine with a new carburetor in 2015. Has cockpit canvas. Has a new full boat cover. The bottom was painted in 2015 and touched up again in 2017. Has sonar down vision and backup redundant sonar. Has radar, GPS, fish finder. Has a galley, head, one bed, and the dining converts to another bed. For more information or pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.